First Sunday of Lent. Gospel is taken from the Gospel of St. Matthew chapter 4 verses 1 to 11. At that time Jesus was led by the Spirit into the desert to be tempted by the devil. He fasted for 40 days and 40 nights, and afterwards he was hungry. The tempter approached and said to him, "If you are the Son of God, command that these stones become loaves of bread." He said in reply, "It is written, one does not live by bread alone, but by every word that comes forth from the mouth of God." Then the devil took him to the holy city and made him stand on the parapet of the temple, and said to him, "If you are the Son of God, throw yourself down, for it is written, He will command His angels concerning you, and with their hands they will support you, lest you dash your foot against a stone." Jesus answered him again, "It is written, You shall not put the Lord your God to the test." Then the devil took him up to a very high mountain, and showed him all the kingdoms of the world in their magnificence. And he said to them, "All this I shall give to you, if you will prostrate yourself and worship me." At this Jesus said to him, "Get away, Satan, it is written, The Lord your God shall you worship, and him alone shall you serve." Then the devil left him, and behold, angels came and ministered to him. The Holy Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please like and subscribe.